And time to bring them to Lily. Hey Lily, I made you some hot chocolate. I heard it's really good for pregnant women. Want some?
Sure, thanks.
Ow!
Oh, why is it so hot, Joyce? You know my baby only likes cold stuff.
Lily, it's called hot chocolate for a reason.
Well, I don't like it. I'm gonna go change it up.
Okay, she's crazy. Hot chocolate's perfect.
There has to be a way to make this super cold. Oh! I'm gonna make a frozen chocolate drink with this ice. This is gonna be perfect. First, we gotta add in some ice. I'm gonna need a lot of ice. All right, now pour in the hot chocolate. Just pour the whole cup in. All right, time to blend it. I think it's ready. Wow, it's super frozen and slushied. Whoa, I can't believe how icy and frozen this is. Wow, now this is the perfect frozen chocolate drink. Joyce, check this out.
Huh? Did you freeze your hot chocolate?
Yeah, this is how you're supposed to drink chocolate.
Ew, you're so gross.
Come on, try it.
No, I don't want it. It tastes better. Hey Joyce, I'm making pizza. Want some? Pizza? That sounds great. Yeah. Okay.
Whoa, this frozen pizza's perfect.
Wow, that does look good.
All right, time to cut it.
Oh. All right, Joyce, here's your half. Wait, what? But Lily, it's so frozen. What? Are you serious?
Yeah, Joyce, this is how you're supposed to eat a pizza.
That's disgusting, Lily.
So good.
How are you eating it like that? I'm gonna go cook it.
No, you want it.
I don't care.
Oh man, why is it so hot? That feels better.
Lily, turn that off. It's so cold.
No way, use this.
Hey, how rude. But it's still so cold.
Here, use this one too.
Hey, Lily. Ugh. But I'm still so cold. Please, can I get another blanket?
Oh, fine. Oh, why does Joyce like it so hot? I'll just bring this whole blanket for her. Here, I brought this whole blanket for you, Joyce. There, are you warm now?
Yeah, it feels so much warmer. Thanks, Lily.
I'm gonna turn this all the way up.
Now my baby's nice and warm. Gotta stay fit even though I'm pregnant.
Hey, Joyce, stop! You should enjoy your pregnancy like me. Have a snack.
No way. I have to stay fit even though I'm pregnant. Come on, Lily, join me.
No way! Exercising makes you hot and sweaty. I'm not doing that.
Huh? Lily, stop sucking your face. You're gonna get so fat.
I don't care, as long as my baby loves it.
Whatever.
I know you want some.
Don't tempt me.
Come on, just a bite.
Stop.
I think I have a cold.
Oh, me too.
I feel horrible. Is there anything we can do to feel better?
I know the perfect remedy. Wait here. Where is it? This one? The green tea. And now the honey. Put these down and get the cups. I'm gonna make honey green tea. That should cure our cold. Now just put it in the cup and add some honey. Perfect! Now the hot water. There, let me try it. It's hot, but I need to make it spicier. Oh, I know. I'm gonna add spicy honey. Lily's gonna love this. Lily, here. Drink this tea. It's gonna help you with the cold.
Thanks, Joyce. I hope it helps.
What's wrong? Are you okay?
Oh, you know I only like cold stuff. This is hot and spicy.
Really? Hot and spicy tea is the best though.
Ew, get this away from me.
Guess I'm getting rid of my cold first. Lily, ready for a spa day?
Spa day? Yeah, I'm ready. Huh? Wait, why do you have a huge pot, Joyce?
It's our steam herbal face mask.
Whoa, that looks awesome!
Thanks. All right, this one's yours. Cool. Oh, this is so hot. Really? It's fine to me.
Joyce, you know I only like the cold.
But a hot mask is good for you. It opens all your pores.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
Oh, I can't believe Joyce made this hot towel for me. I gotta freeze it. Now we gotta put it in here and wait for it to freeze. Awesome, it's frozen now. Time to go back. Joyce, look. I froze a towel, so now I can enjoy a nice frozen spa day.
You're so weird, Lily. Hot masks are the best.
Whatever, let's just enjoy.
Okay.
What? Are you guys sure you want to try those?
Yeah, give me your hottest snack.
Yeah, and I want your coldest.
But you're pregnant. Are you sure it's okay?
Just go make it for us.
Alright.
I'm so excited.
Me too.
I'm gonna make a spicy snack with hot Cheetos and peppers. Alright, now add in the sriracha. Alright, now the hot Cheetos. Yeah, the spicy snacks are done. Time for the cold snacks. Ice cream and cool Doritos. Alright, one more scoop. Okay. Add the Doritos. Slowly pour in the Dorito Cool Ranch. Alright, finish. Hope they like it.
How's your baby?
Oh, she's doing good. She loves spicy.
Yeah,
Hey guys, here's yours and here's yours.
Wow! This looks amazing. Is this hot Cheetos with pepper dip?
Wow, he gave me Cool Ranch Doritos with ice cream.
Yeah, these are the hottest and coldest items in the menu. Hope you guys enjoy.
Thank you so much. I can't wait to try it.
Let me know if you eat anything.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna dig in. Oh, this ice cream looks so good. Whoa, it tastes so good together. It's so nice and refreshing.
Really? I want to try my spicy snacks. This chili sriracha sauce looks so good. These are the best snacks ever.
Yeah, I think my baby loves it. Hi everyone. Did you guys like our hot versus cold pregnant situations? Leave a comment down below.
Remember to subscribe and hit that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.